welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because we're opening up the March Goddess Provisions. I got it already, which is super exciting because it's, well, I mean, it's like one day before March, but still, yay. So, by the way, I am wearing clothes. It looked like I didn't have anything on for a second. My hair's so long, it covers it. But anyways, Goddess Provisions is a monthly box. It is like spiritual, witchy, and amazing. It is $33 a month, and it's so well curated. I love this box. Every time they sell a subscription, they plant a tree. It's all eco-friendly, and again, so on point and well curated. I love it. So I'm gonna link them down below. And just FYI, this is kindly sent to me free for review, and the link is a referral link. So if you use it, I get like points or something like that. So thank you in advance if you use it. So yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. I know I'm missing out on like other information about this box. I've been opening it for a long time. It's been a long time favorite, like seriously one of my favorite boxes. So yeah, let's get started. And ignore my wet hair or if I'm in a hurry. It's been a busy day, like in a good way. I have something in like half hour and I want to get this filmed, and plus I want to see what's inside. So right on top, it always has a pretty art print that comes like with all the information. Will be inside here. There's a little sneak. Ooh, Stara. I think it's a box, a Stara thing. What does it say? Rooted in Magic. I love this. Mushroom. The theme is nature magic. I love that. And they'll give a list of all the items, a little picture, the pricing, and then also there'll be a link to look at their blog. They have a blog, and they also have a shop outside their subscription too, which is awesome. So you can check that out and get more information too. And you know, I'm all about getting more information. I love to dive deep into my hobbies and interests. So let's get started. Let's grab whatever is right on top here. It says, oh, Stara Ritual. I love getting like a full ritual in our bag. The last month we got a love spell, or like I guess not like self-love spell kit as well. So I wonder if that's going to be a theme now. I love that, getting everything you need, but I don't even know what's in here and I'm already like raving about it. So Stara Ritual. Oh, are those like little cats on there? How cute. Oh my god, I love it. It looks like there's a tea in here. I'm gonna get it open. So here's some herbs. Let's see. It's like a little booklet. Oh my god, yeah, it literally is a little book. Oh, Stara, Spring Equinox. It tells you all about it. This is amazing. Oh, Stara by Johannes. So there's some artwork here, and then it talks about the history, it looks like. I'm having trouble like turning the pages. I love my long nails, but certain things are just a little hard. So then it talks about the celebration, and then making an altar. And it, oh my god, it gives you so much information here, you guys. So it talks about colors, nature, symbols, botanicals, stones, spiritual, elemental, and atmosphere. So it gives you all these correspondences. That's amazing. I'm so excited. And then it talks about color symbolism and blessings. It's like killing me not to just read this full thing out to you guys, but don't worry. Elemental incantation. And then resonance, consecration. Cast your circle. Wow, it gives you a lot of information here. I see the elements over there. And then perform your ritual. That tells you how to close your ritual box. It gives you like step by step, like, okay, well, it gives you a history, gives you some information, some correspondences, and then step-by-step ritual. It's really easy to follow, it looks like. And then some Q&A about Stara. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then there's a recipe for vegan mushroom bites. I'm so hungry. That sounds so good. Ooh, I'm going out to dinner tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna get or where I'm gonna go, but I might have to get something with mushrooms. That sounds so good. And then another recipe for little lemon cakes. Okay. And then it talks about runes and the history, methods, and then making your own runes. Oh my god, there's so much in here. We're not done yet. And then it talks about how you can make them like paper, stone or shell, metal, Journey, rune divination ritual. Oh my god, and then it talks all about the runes here. This is so cool. And then it talks about the Ostara tea blend, which I believe is right here. So, born as a medicinal infusion of plants and roots, the ancient practice of tea making journeyed thousands of years to where it is now, nearly unchanged. So it talks a little bit more about it. Our hand-blended botanical and herbal tea honors the flavors and feelings of Ostara. The ingredients are elderberries, roasted dandelion root, red clover, cassia chips, oat straw, licorice, raspberry leaf, marshmallow root, hibiscus, and nettle leaf. I'm so excited. I love tea. This is so awesome. There's so much information there. I was like saying how much I love to dive deep into things before I even knew that. So this is a $12 value. It's called the Magic Fairy Candles Spring Ritual Equinox Tea in Ostara booklet. Yeah, brew a cup of these aromatic botanicals and enjoy a slow moment learning about the celebration of Ostara. I love that. This is so exciting. So you can use code GODDESS20 to save 20% off at magickfairycandles.com. So cool! Oh my god, yay! And then how everything is packaged, so cute. Mushroom Magic DIY Altar Shelf, the perfect place to display your crystals. You and I have like 1,000 crystals. I'm so excited. Not 1,000, but like 100. I connect with the cycles of life. I love how on all their products, it has an affirmation. So how to create, tells you how to do it. Let's see what it looks like. This is so cool. This is a $25 value. No tools required. It's 4.5 inches. I'm probably just going to show you a picture. I'm not going to construct it right now, but yeah, this looks really simple to put together. I'll show you it right now. Oh, they have a bigger picture of it too. Isn't that so cute? And you can remove that little shelf there if you have bigger crystals. Oh my god, that's going to look so cute. I'm totally going to make a specific Ostara altar now. This is so awesome. This is altar building ritual for the spring equinox. I feel like I say Ostara wrong. I don't know why. It's not but it's a spring equinox. People are like, why? What are you saying? As the sun strengthens, it's time to celebrate the renewal, balance, and the rebirth of life and nature. To start this ritual, make the spring equinox tea and read the Ostara booklet, pausing often to reflect on the themes of Ostara. Then, following the suggestions in the booklet and your intuition, craft a spring equinox altar. As you choose the elements to add to your altar, consider colors, symbols, botanicals, stones, nature, and the atmosphere you're creating. And then it says, connect deeply to the season's energy. You can focus on balance as the day and night are equal length. Focus on the small signs of new life and birth in your life. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. So let's move on. We have, is this another tea? Oh, it's a bath tea by Aroma Sutras, Mother Nature's Healing Remedies. This is the Goddess Ostara bath tea. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my gosh. And on the back it says, your ritual bath awaits. Reawaken your energies with this powerful blend of flowers and herbs that has been ceremonially used in Europe and Asia to connect with Goddess Ostara. So to use, you place 1 teaspoon of the mix in the organza bag. So it comes with a bag in here as well. And pull the strings to tighten, drop into the water in the bathtub and soak. That's awesome. I've used bath tea before. It's really nice. And putting it in a bag is really helpful so you don't like mess up your bathtub, have herbs everywhere, clog your drain or anything like that. So what herbs are in here? Hyssop, pine, calendula, seawater, nigeri, Epsom salt, marjoram, thyme, tarragon, chrysanthemum, geranium, lily, rose, coleus, and essential oils. It's made in Chicago, my hometown. Ooh. It smells really good. They're all it's a little messy in there, but it didn't spill out at all. So yeah, there's a little purple bag. Love it. I feel like my nails are like perfect for roaster. Yay! So this is $10. Also, it smells good too. Yay! It's very earthy smelling. Oh, there's a book in there. So much information. Sorry, I keep messing with my hair. Let's move on to the next. Perfect! We have an herbal alchemy tea infuser. We got the tea. So, my connection to the earth helps me grow. I like that one. There's clear instructions, how to use. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it looks like it's pretty large. That's what she said. Can fit a lot of tea in there. And it's so cute. There's a mushroom. I love this. It's a big size. This is nice because sometimes when you have like a little thingy and it's like in your cup, it can kind of like spill over. This is so cute. Yay. I love tea. And this has a $16 value. And then, what's this little thing? Oh, it must be a lava stone because that's what it says. Look at this cute little box. This is by Origin. We are on a mission to promote wellness and self-health through the products we create. Nice. Let's put it in. Come on, nails. I can do it. Can I? Yes, I can. Okay. Struggle of having long nails. Okay, I got it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look how little this is. There's a little thing right on top. Oh, it's in a little nest. What is lava stone? Okay, I'm gonna try. It's a little stone in a little nest. Perfect for Ostara. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna read about what lava stone is good for. I don't want to drop it. I think it's easiest to show it to you like this. Okay. So, solidified from molten lava, lava stone has grounding metaphysical properties that strengthen and stabilize in times of change. Because of its porous nature, lava stone also makes for a great essential oil diffuser. I've used it for that before. Simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and enjoy the added therapeutic benefits of your thinking egg will bring. And then there's like code here, Origin 20. This is so cute. So this Origin Black Lava Stone Thinking Egg has a $17 value. This is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. I love it. Totally going on the altar. Oh, I think it was pictured in here. I'll show you the picture of it on here. This is so cute. Oh my god. You can see right there. I didn't notice that before. I love that. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It doesn't even talk about the nest, or does it? I don't know. Yeah, and you can use it's good for grounding too. That's awesome. But we're not done with one more thing, you guys, and it's a little book. Oh man, I'm so excited, you guys. This is Earth Magic, the Witch of the Forest Guide to Earth Magic. Ground yourself with magic, connect with the seasons in your life and nature. This is by Lindsay Squire, illustrated by Vicki Lester. It's beautiful. Let's see what it says in the back. I'm so excited. I love books so much. Learn the secrets of the Witch of the Forest in the stunning sequel to Natural Magic, and channel the elemental forces which are all around you to master the practice of earth magic. Discover how to use simple witchcraft to boost your well-being, keep yourself grounded in the 21st century, and connect your own natural seasons in life as well as in your craft. From using the 4 elements, earth, air, fire, and water, in spells, to learning about the powers of herbs and crystals, the art of empathy and shadow work, Earth Magic will teach you everything you need to know about this ancient form of magic. I love that. So this is a retail value of $20. Let's just flip to a random page. Ooh, it looks really good. Let's look at the table of contents. Oh my god, even this is so beautiful, the green. So the first chapter, casting a circle and ritual basics. Then the 4 elements, the 4 seasons, Mother Earth's magic, crystals, divination, empath care, shadow work, energy balancing techniques. Those are all of the chapters. In the beginning, there's a story by the creator. How beautiful is it? I'm so excited to read this. Wow, this is a crystal page. Oh my god. Yay! This is so cute. This is a really good size to like fit in your bag, like read on the go if you want to. You guys, I freaking love Goddess Provisions. Wasn't this so good and well curated, so on the theme? And we got a lot of stuff like the high value stuff. We got, okay, book, love that. And then we also got the Star Ritual book, which has so much information and rituals to do. And the tea came with that. Love that. And then we got the little crystal altar, what do they call it? A mushroom magic DIY altar shelf. That's so cool. And then we got a little mushroom thing here, this little tea diffuser, the lava stone in the little nest, like so cute. The bath tea. This was so good. We got so much stuff, so many rituals, stuff to do, like an experience and learn. I love that so much. I hope you loved it too. Again, I will link guys' provisions down below. I definitely recommend, especially if you like are into witchy stuff like I am. If you're into self-care, self-love, educating yourself about Mother Gaia, the world we live in, and I don't know, I just love it so much. You get a crystal every month, and I've noticed, and a bunch of other things that go with the theme. More information on their blog. So good. And it's for like new witches and seasoned witches. I feel like everyone can enjoy it, even if you're not identifying as a witch. Just someone that's spiritual would be good for too. But that's it for today, guys. I can't wait to hear your thoughts down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're doing well. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Bye.